Hi my friend, this video will show you how to replace the mode of the BTB 480 cellophane wrapping machine. First, remove the original one. There are marks on the mode distinguished by 1 and 2. Now remove the number 1 and install the number 2. When installing this, pay attention to the installation direction, that the bevel of the retaining edge is facing outwards. Pay attention to leveling here. Remove the 2 screws here and remove the pressure plate device here. Release the track safety at the left. Turn the handle at the right to make the track wider. Pull out the air pressure here and turn off the air supply. When installing this part, pay attention to the direction, with the small side facing the front of the machine. After installation, now we adjust the spacing. After pulling it over, we found that it touched here. So we loosened and adjusted the distance. What is adjusted here is the stroke of the cylinder, and it is okay now adjusted to this distance. The same operation is performed on the other side, and the distance is adjusted to about 5 to 10 mm. This ironing board is customized according to your product. It is suitable for boxes that are not fully filled with materials. The boxes are relatively empty and easily crushed. You will get better effect after replacing this kind ironing board. Put the box on the track. Turn the handle counterclockwise to narrow the track width so that the box is placed in the track in a state of a little tight but can be pushed. Place this tool here. Each machine has equipped one, and then adjust the front part of the machine to make the front and back positions level. Make sure they are in a line. Next, let's adjust the height of the pressure plate. Let's put a box here and adjust the plate height according to the height of the box. There are two handles here. Loosen them. There is a gear on the right. Rotate the gear to adjust the pressure plate downwards. You can also use a wrench. Adjust it to a state where there is a little resistance. When the box is pressed, tighten the two handles. There is a scale at this position. Please record the height here so that when next time change the mode, can directly adjust it according to this record. First, hand the board, do not tighten it. Then place boxes here. And push boxes forward. Pay attention to the distance on both sides to make sure the box is aligned to the center of this board. Release the safety lock on the left, then turn the handle clockwise to widen the track distance about 1 mm each side space so that the box can pass smoothly, and remember to lock the safety lock after adjust well. Assemble this pressure plate device. This part does not need to be replaced. It is removed only for convenience to replace the changing parts. Loosen the positioning screw under the handle. Turn the handle counterclockwise to adjust the pressure plate downward to fit to the box height. The pressing plate needs to be tight when pressing the box, but it should not deform the box. Can turn the handle and adjust it again if too tightened or too loose. Adjust the pressure plate here downward to hold the box tight also. Then tighten the screws below the handle to fix the position. Once it's done, turn on the air supply, then can open the board and take out the box. After pushing tight, tighten the screw. The pusher head here also needs to be replaced. The pusher head must be smaller than the box. If you change to a larger box later, no need to replace this pusher head because it's already smaller than a larger box. Pay attention to this position, that when the pusher head pushes the box, be sure it's not collide with this pole. Now the mold replacement and the adjustment are all finished. Loose the tensioner wheel, put the film on, be centered. Open the handle, put the film in, and lock it. Here is the film winding diagram for reference. When installing the tail line, pay attention to the direction of the tail line. The sticky side be attached to the BOPP film or PVC film.
This conveyor will be disassembled when shipping, and we install it like this. 就这个螺丝装下去吗？还有这个螺丝。
这两个螺丝，这两个螺丝，然后把这个拿掉，螺丝下面。